5 things never to do in New York City as a first-time tourist. Number 5, started from the bottom.
5.
Don't take a yellow cab. Why?
Right. Don't take a yellow cab because it's overpriced. Unless it's an emergency, that's when you can take the yellow cab. It's just call an Uber or a Lyft, or take the train or the bus.
Yes. Number 4.
Do not buy from the vendors. Hot dogs, pretzels. Why? Because it's not sanitary. They don't have any place to wash their hands. Number 3, do not stare people in their eyes.
Oh, no.
That is so annoying, and it will bring on confrontation.
You will have a fight. Yeah.
Number 2, if you don't know the subway system that well,
Don't take the subway.
Don't take the subway.
Just don't take the subway.
Just use the bus and Lyft or Uber,
If you
especially if it's a group of you.
Yeah. If you want to live like the locals, take the bus. But Lyft or Uber, best bet.
Yes. And the number 1 thing, people, you must remember, Monday through Friday, please walk fast in the street, especially between 4 and 6 p.m. Us New Yorkers do not like people walking slow in front of us because that's the end of our day. And we're walking quickly to get to the bus or the train.
Or get home.
To get home. And do not stop in the middle of the street to just look around. Either pull yourself to the side or pull yourself to
You will get pushed.
You will get pushed.
You will, and you'll have another fight.
Yes, exactly. So these are the top 5 things I can tell you as a New Yorker that annoy us, that travelers do when they come here.
Yes.
And if you avoid these things, you'll have a great time here in New York City with no confrontation.
Period.